Hey folks, this is Russell Longcore calling. I'm a writer and an internet marketing consultant, and I've been on LinkedIn for years, probably since 2003, 2004, and I've just dabbled with it, never really knew what to do with it. I thought it was an important thing, but I just simply didn't know how to use it. Well, last night, which was a Monday night, I went to a seminar that was hosted by a fellow named Joel Alpert. And Joel has a company called Market Power. And Joel put on a seminar called LinkedIn, Turn Your Profile into an Effective Business Tool in Just One Night. Let me tell you something, in the first 30 minutes of this seminar, and this was a 3-hour seminar, I got hundreds of dollars worth of value out of this. Joel showed me things that I never thought about as far as my profile and how to market myself and how to set up my profile, how to reach out and look for other people, how to connect with other people. I can't sufficiently tell you how great this seminar was. It was 3 hours. Joel packed it full. He took questions. He's a great communicator. He's a great marketer, and I'm suggesting that if you're in the Atlanta area, you should take this course the next time that Joel has this course. So if you're seeing this, look below in the comments below this video, and you'll see how to get a hold of Joel. But just in case you don't, here it is. Here's how to get a hold of Joel. Joel Alpert 123 at gmail.com. That's Joel, A-L-P-E-R-T. Let me spell the whole thing. Joel, Joel-A-L-P-E-R-T, and the number is 123. That's all together, at gmail.com. Don't miss this. It's worth its weight in gold. Go to this and learn how you can be an effective marketer with LinkedIn. Thanks, folks. See ya.